Dear students, now we will see WP encryption and decryption as well as WP authentication. So this WP encryption, the block diagram of this is this is the encryption block diagram. It takes the plain text message, the IV and the secret key as input and produce the output a message consisting of the ciphertext. Okay, and the IV by performing the steps, like first step is it computes the ICV using the CRC32 over the plain text message. Then it concatenate this ICV with the plain text message. Okay, then third step is it choose the random IV and it concatenate it with the secret key, and it is used to input to the RC4 PRNG to produce the pseudo random key sequence. So this produce the key sequence. Okay, then after that it XORs this key sequence as well as this value, and it encrypt the plain text and the ICV by doing the bitwise XOR with the key sequence from the PRNG to produce the ciphertext. Okay, so this is the encryption algorithm, and WP decryption is opposite of the encryption. So in the WP decryption, it is reverse of the encryption. The algorithm takes the secret key and the message consisting of the ciphertext and ICV as input. Okay, and it produces the plaintext message and the error flags as output by performing the steps. Performing the steps in the reverse order means it first generate the key sequence key using the IV of the message, then it decrypt the ciphertext message by doing a bitwise XOR, then it verify the ICV with their ICV. If this ICV is not equal to ICV, which is calculated by the algorithm by sending an error to the MAC management layer and back to the sending station. Okay, next is WP authentication. This is the WP authentication. In this, the wireless station sends an authentication request to the AP. Wireless station sends the authentication to the AP. Then AP sends the challenge text T to the WS. The WS sends the challenge response, which is the text T encrypted with a shared secret key, and the AP sends the acknowledgement if the response is valid, and if NACK means not acknowledgement if it is invalid. Okay, so this is the WP authentication. Okay, so thank you so much.